Welcome guys in your math class. I am your teacher Khalil and we are going to continue with our unit 3 measures. We are on lesson 3.2 drawing and measuring lines. Page number 61 of your math learners book. So in this lesson we are going to learn draw and measure lines using centimeters, and we are going to learn how to use a ruler and meter ruler as a number line. So in this section you will use what you know about centimeters and meters. That is important to remember how to use ruler when drawing and measuring. So it is important that when we start to measure things with the ruler, we start with the 0 digit that is on the ruler and not with the edges. Okay, so when we are putting our ruler, we will start counting after 0. Okay, before 0 we are not going to consider it a digit or a number. So in this exercise 3.2 we are going to learn which line is longer and which line is shorter. Shorter means small, longer means taller, or you can say big. So let's start. Question number 1. Focus on these two lines. Focus on these two lines. Question is, which line is longer, blue or a red? Which line is longer? So here are two lines. Focus on the lines and tell me, I think the line is longer. So I think that blue line is longer. So you will say, I think blue line is longer. You can see the difference. The blue one is longer than the red line. So you will say, I think the blue line is longer. Moving on to the next question. Which line is shorter? For this question, we are going to focus on these two lines. This was for only question number 1. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, this question ends here. Okay, when we are talking about this question, which line is shorter, we are going to consider these two lines. We are going to focus on these two lines. Okay, so we will say which line is shorter, red or blue. You can see the difference. So we will say, I think the blue line is shorter. Okay, we will say that I think the blue line is shorter. Okay, moving on to the next slide. So let's check your progress and measure the things, estimate and measure the length of these lines. So for these measuring lines, first of all, we are going to estimate. I estimate the orange line. I will say that it is 10 centimeter long. So when we are going to take out the rulers from our pencil case and put them on the line to measure, so it was 12 centimeter long. So let's see the next line, the blue line. So I think we'll just make a guess. Estimation is a guess. You can make your estimation, you make a guess. So let's see, it was 6 centimeter. Estimation, we will say it is 6 centimeter. And when we measure the line, we got it is 8 centimeter long. 8 centimeter long. So let's move on to the next question. Just give me a minute to raise the screen. We have question number 3 that says measure the length of these rectangles using centimeters. So here is the length of each rectangle. What we are going to do, we are going to use the ruler and we are going to measure the length of these rectangles. So when we use ruler for the first rectangle, putting the ruler from right to left, we got 9 cm. The second one, let's count, putting the ruler on the line to measure the rectangle. So it is smaller than the first rectangle, so it will be it is 6 centimeter. Then the third one is less than the second one, so let's find out with the help of ruler. 5 centimeter. So likewise, we are going to measure the next two rectangles with the help of ruler. First one is the fourth one is 11. It is more than the first one. And the last one, let's measure with the help of ruler, counting with the rulers. So for these exercise, everyone should have his ruler so he can easily measure the lines and write the answers. So this one is 10 centimeter. So that's all for today's class. I hope you people understand and you people like the topic today. Take care and have a nice day.